K-Square Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the handstand push-up. Alright guys, so key points of performance as we get upside down, getting into this big time shoulder pressing movement. The first thing I want you to think about is anytime you're on your hands, push-ups, handstand push-ups, just like I teach you with your feet, you have to be screwing in your hands as well. So notice the shoulder position. If I screw out, or screw in, with my hands, it's going to lock me in, putting a better shoulder position. So whenever you go upside down, that way your elbows are not flying out. Another thing to think about is as you get upside down, you have to create a tripod. So if I'm upside down here, I have to take my head forward, creating this tripod here. The rule is if you can see your hands behind your head, you're in a good position. So this would be a good tripod. Putting your head here would not be. And I see this all the time. People are going down, flaring the elbows out is no good. So make sure you have that mastered before you're kicking up to the wall. If you're kicking up to the wall, probably just need a couple of coaching points, and here they are. Screwing in, kicking up to the wall, about a hand or a knuckle distance apart. Head will come out in front, squeeze your butt, strong elbow lockout. And just like I teach you guys, anytime you're going overhead, push presses, shoulder presses, all that good stuff, make sure as you lock out your handstand push-up, you're trying to push your head through to get behind your elbows so that you're in a good hollow body position. That's the handstand push-up. Get after it.